Welcome to Lone Cowboy Adventures, where an ex-bull rider traded in his bull rope and his horse reins for the travels and adventures on a motorcycle. Joined with him is his beautiful Miss Linda. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And as I always say hi to a stranger. You might make somebody's day. Well, we're all staged up, had a little breakfast after registration, and just killing time. Well, they just gave the speech and all that stuff, thanking the veterans and whatnot. We're getting ready to saddle up and ride out. Yeah, we're saddling up with Sandoval. Right there. Oh, okay. And again, I've met some great people, had some good conversations. So here we go. seeing anybody have a mishap. Not sure which way we're going this. I think we're going to turn right. Well, we're at our first stop, and the Popo showed up. Highway Patrol. We're actually up in Cassville, Missouri. I don't think they're a little upset.
Oh, we still have the other bike, and I like it too, but I think it's better.
Hey, I gotta make sure I get your YouTube channel.
I'll get your card right now.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah,
Because you were right behind.
Well, we're at stop number 2, and we're right off Interstate 49, north of Rogers, I guess. Anderson, Missouri, I think is where we're at. So we'll probably jump on the interstate, head south. Maybe, I don't know. So, first time I ever rode in a big group like this. Everybody have a good ride?
Yes.
Everybody, has anybody been on those roads before?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
That Noel, Missouri, that was awesome.
Yes, Noel, Missouri. Yeah, it's a great place.
I couldn't believe those overhanging cliffs.
Yeah, they used to have a real biker rally over there.
Oh, really?
A real biker rally.
Kind of like, you know, no clothes stuff?
Barrel races, mud wrestling, yeah, naked girls, yeah, the whole deal.
The wild child.
It's funny how things
Good
happen
stuff.
when we get older, isn't it?
Yeah, right? You'd pull up on there on a Saturday morning and
My baby, you can get naked and roll around right here. We'll watch
there's no mud. There's no mud here. Yeah, it was the real deal there. You pull up, people are still laid out in front of their tents, you know, passed out from the night.
What was the saying we had?
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, mud wrestling is already going and shots are flowing.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Gotta have at least 2 zeros.
Gotta have at least 2 zeros on the back end to get a dance.
Wow.
If you say it enough, you don't have to.
Well, we made it to Rogers, Arkansas, and they're going to do the drawing for the bike and whatnot. And hopefully they got a restroom in here. It was an excellent ride. Excellent ride. Well, in about 30 minutes they're going to do the drawing. And Adam stepped up, and if anybody was wearing a piece of Adam Sandoval merchandise, clothing, whatever, they came up on stage and actually bought extra tickets for everybody to have an extra entry into the giveaway. So, and guess what? I knew there was a reason to wear that today. So, awesome. I think there was 19 that he bought, and you could only get a ticket by actually going on the Saddle Up with Sandoval ride today, and you had to be pre-registered. So yeah, awesome deal. Awesome. Great man.
I know, I was following that on your post.
We'd like to be present and hand you this check. We're proud of the work we did here today, y'all. Where's Hulk at?
Right here.
Come on up here, brother. Oats. So thank you all for showing up today, being part of this ride. It really means a lot to me to be able to put events like this together and try to help our veterans. You know, this is what gives my life purpose, and it wouldn't be possible at all if it wasn't for all of you. A lot of times y'all thank me, and I just say, you know what, I'm doing nothing up here. It's y'all that are doing all the heavy lifting. So thank you very much. I appreciate you. On behalf of Big Trail Harley Davidson, myself, and all of these Americans out here riding today, we'd like to present the Combat Vets Motorcycle Association $26,000, $325. Thank you so much. I know this is over years ago. I appreciate all the stuff you guys do out there. Let's get a picture.
You got a cameraman up top, right?
Thank you. That's how we do it around here. That's awesome. Thank you all so much, man. Y'all are amazing. All right, let's pick some winners. So what are we going to do first? Are we going to get a card?
Gift card to the 3 nights.
Okay, so one person gets both. All right, so one person gets involved. It's a 3-night stay at my new resort up there in Eureka Springs called Green Tree. It is going to be rebranded. It's going to be called something different here shortly, so just keep an eye on my page if you win this, because the name will change. And a $500 gift card from Picture Harley, so they can use on anything they want, including a bike rental. So if they want to come to town, you have a bike, you want to rent a bike, stay in place, have a whole weekend. All right, very cool. So I'll do the picture. You want to give the up on this? There we go.
Accountability.
Yeah, accountability. It's important. All right, here's our winner. After the president's win, correct? 341590.
What?
341590. Purple.
Purple tickets.
Purple tickets. Going once, going twice.
Sold.
341590. Is that a winner? Where is it? All right, come on up here. Thank you so much for purchasing these tickets. Congratulations. I hope you enjoy your stay. These ladies over here will match you up and get all your information, okay? Congratulations. $500 at Big Trail and a 3-day stay up in my place in Eureka. So this one is for the bike. All right, I'm gonna do the no look, right? Because it's gonna be super good. Because I know half the people here, somebody's going, you know that person they want, huh? That's the way it goes. All right, okay, no look, couple mixes. Somebody's going home with this bike. Who's it gonna be? And here's the ticket. This is a winning ticket. Go slow. You want me to do it backwards?
No.
9, 6, 3, 9, 8, 2, 4.
Bullshit.
Congratulations, my friend. Get up here, brother.
Double check that.
9639824. Congratulations on your new motorcycle ride. Rock and roll. Yeah, it's 2 up. Let's get out together. All right, come on up here. Let's get a picture with you. All right, y'all. Thank you all so much, man. I really appreciate your support. I'm hanging out here, the legends in Eureka Springs. I hope y'all will join me there. It's owned by 2 veterans, a wife and a husband, both of them veterans. Please join all the women to share here. Let's make some time and relax a little bit. Have some fun. I'll talk to you later.
Well, that was fun. Missed it by 2 numbers. The last 2. But that's okay. I had a great time. They're having an after party in Eureka Springs. I'll run over there for a minute. Well, I did have a good time. Don't know if I'm gonna go to that after party or not. I'm kind of tired. So, if I did meet you on this ride, leave me a comment down below, will you please? Give the video a thumbs up, all of you. And say hi to a stranger. Thank a veteran and wave at a police officer, y'all. Say bye.